Wow, I'm nervous now.
Team
Me too. I'm not
28
even
versus
competing.
Fruit Ninja.
Yeah.
All right, Team 28 and Team of the Ninja Fruit. I know we are going to cut some fruit in half this time. Hopefully, it's a higher number so we can compete as much as we can with Team 28 because Team 28 has developed a highly competitive robot here. So we're going to see what we can do in this final round here. All right. Can I get a confirmation from both teams that we're ready to go? Controllers in hand while I'm resetting the timer here. All right, it will start in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. And in the final match, we have begun. There is 60 seconds on the clock. Oh, the mechanism has flung the rubber band so that Team 28 can continue to grab the fruit. Okay, the Fruit Ninja has chopped one of the fruits and has it on the dowel and is diligently putting it into the basket there. And while that was occurring, Team 28 has dropped 2 fruits into the basket. We also have 2 more fruits coming. And oh, 1 fruit is still on the board there of the robot. And we have the Fruit Ninja rotating to grab onto another fruit. We have 14 seconds on the board. Oh, how much can we actually achieve in this next 10 seconds? There is now 5 seconds on the board. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this final round has been completed. Team 28 has dropped all but one of the fruits inside the basket from the looks of it. And the Fruit Ninja, it's hard to see if there's another fruit in the basket, but still has successfully chopped many of the fruits in half. All right. So the winner of this round is Team 28. Congratulations. Just to get the final score.
Oh, well, you both did a fantastic job. Thank you so much for showing your robots. Let's take a deeper delve into the design of Team 28, I think. I'm very curious.
Okay. What are you curious about?
How does where is the rubber band placed on your release mechanism?
For the trigger mechanism, it was actually a last minute design incorporation. Let's see if you guys can see that. So right here, it just clings onto here. And then there's actually a little notch, if you guys can see that right there, that it digs itself into.
Oh, fantastic.
And the way that the design is, and this is my teammate, Andrew Hallett designed this, the bucket is independent of the arm, but the arm does lift it. So that angle difference that it makes right there is what releases the rubber band actually.
That is fantastic. What a beautiful design.
I know Team 28, you mentioned you actually optimized your belt drive since last week.
Yes.
Can you talk a little bit more about that?
It's not too exciting, just that it's foam, and after a while it crushes in and on itself. So I've just been having to add hot glue to little areas here and there to make the belt drive or make the friction drive a little bigger. And that's made more traction, yeah.
Awesome. Great. And I also know you, after you find like your robot actually has been working pretty consistently, you have been optimizing the path.
Yeah.
So you actually get the best score within the timing. Talk about that.
Yeah, so when we were first doing our robot, we wanted to originally pick up a fruit and then drop in the basket right away. And then my teammate realized really quick that there wasn't enough time for that, which is why we have this bucket that it can dump into. What this bucket allows us to do is pick up 2 fruits at once, which optimizes the path that we would have to travel, decreasing the time significantly.
Awesome. Great. Well, great job, both teams. It's impressive.
Yeah, very high scoring round. That was great.
Yeah.